Good morning, Hayward Allen Toyota customers. My name is Jeff and I represent the parts department at Hayward Allen Toyota. I want to take just a moment to show you how to replace tail lamp bulb in your Toyota Tacoma pickup truck. Okay, in this example we're using a newer model Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport, but the process will be very similar for Toyota Tacomas and Toyota Tundra pickup trucks, older pickup trucks as well. We're going to show you with just one simple tool. In a few minutes of your time, you can replace this tail lamp bulb or this tail lamp assembly if need be. No problem. All right, this tail lamp assembly right here really is only held in by two metric bolts. The socket size or wrench size is 10 millimeters. In this truck, it has one right here and one right here at the top. We're going to take those two metric bolts out and then I'll show you what's left. This is the driver's side tail lamp assembly on this Toyota Tacoma. And to remove this, as I was showing you a moment ago, we just have to remove a bolt right here and a bolt right down here. Using 10 millimeter ratchet and a 10 millimeter socket on a 1/4 inch ratchet to remove that. And then you can see the tail lamp's still in place, but all I have to do is give it just a little tug and it will come out in my hands. In this particular case, I'm just going to lay it to the side. And if I'm removing or replacing a blown bulb, a burned out bulb, all I've got to do at this point is just give the socket a quick little twist, and it comes right on out. This bulb, this particular one, is a glass wedged base bulb. We sell these bulbs at Hayward Allen Toyota. And it just unplugs. It'll come right on out, and I'll show you that. All I did there was give it a quick little tug. It pulls out of that socket. To reinstall it, you just snap it right back in. There's nothing to it. And then what I'll do is I'll twist the bulb back in the socket and install the tail lamp. All right, so the bulb just snaps in like so. And then I'll install it back into the tail lamp housing. I line up my little notches and twist it back in. It locks in place. It's in there. And then at that point, I'll just take the tail lamp assembly, line my grommet up right there, put that back in place. We'll install my two metric bolts. There's one at the top right down here and one at the bottom. I'm doing this one-handed, so forgive me. So one here, one here. I'll just tighten it up with this wrench right here, and we're done. And if you have to replace a broken tail lamp unit or a burned out bulb, either way, process only will take you just a couple minutes. This is something you can do yourself. If you need a replacement tail lamp or tail lamp bulb, please come to see us in the parts department at Hayward Allen Toyota, and we thank you for your business.